So our journey has been where we started off in 2020 and then we're a COVID-based company. So lockdown hit, we had this space but we didn't have any of these products, we didn't know what direction we were going. We're talking to our counterparts, so all our products are made in Europe.
Okay.
Right? So having said that, we were looking for something where we can integrate buying in euros. So the top three currencies that we purchase is, the top two is euros and USD.
Okay.
Right? So having said that, we even tried another CRM software and accounting software where it wasn't allowing us to try out the Europe part. So we'll have to release in INR and then edit it, and there's no record of it. TranZact allows us to do that. Right, first point. So that itself is beneficial for us. We are a process-oriented company. We want to be able to scale. So we are in the scale phase of our company. So as you see, like in 6 months from now, we'll be in a much bigger space. All of this is at the sampling stage. We have implemented the process where there's two parts to this. The first part is your inward, and the second part is your outward.
Okay.
And intermediate is your inventory. Right? TranZact has been very helpful for us in terms of getting a purchase order, booking, getting an order confirmation, sales quotation, so that entire transaction timeline we're able to see it and track it, and whether a delivery channel has to be created, an invoice has to be created. So that is very, very helpful for us.